Hello friends, today we will learn A to Z with number 1 to 10 and coloring with color names. So let's start. Black color, orange color, sky blue color, purple color, yellow color, red color, peach pink color, light green color, dark green color, and blue color. A for apple. B for banana. C for candle. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fingers. G for goat. H for horse. I for island. J for jug. K for kettle. L for lion. M for milk. N for nose. O for onion. P for panda. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's learn. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Red color. Number 1. Blue color. 2. Light green color. 3. Yellow color. 4. Orange color. 5. Red color. 6. Blue color. 7. Light green color. 8. Yellow color. 9. Orange color. 10. Red color. 11. Blue color. 12. Light green color. 13. Yellow color. 14. Orange color. 15. Red color. 16. Blue color. 17. Light green color. 18. Yellow color. 19. Orange color. 20. Let's learn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.